welcome to my channel, and in this video we will learn about two more kinds of adjectives. First one, emphasizing adjectives. Second, exclamatory adjective. Now once here look at this word emphasizing. We can write this word spelling EMPHASISING or ZING. In both ways, this word spelling can be written. SING is British English and ZING is American English. Now, emphasizing adjectives. These are used for emphasizing the nouns. What is emphasizing? See, emphasizing means telling something very strongly, expressing something very strongly. That is called emphasizing. Now look at the examples here. First one, I saw the snake with my own eyes. See here, while we are reading this sentence and when I am pronouncing this word, I am saying it's my with my own eyes. See, that is called emphasizing. Once again I read, I saw the snake with my own eyes. Not anything else. I have seen only the snake. So in this way, we can say or use emphasizing adjectives. And remember, we have only two emphasizing adjectives. One is own, second one is very. Now, let us say one more example here. This is the very act the government implemented. So, even here, very is used for emphasizing. So, this is the very act. So, immediate act we can take. Or, it is a necessary act that should be taken by the government. So, that's why again here we have the word very, which is emphasizing adjective. And third one, it was her own idea. It was her own idea. Nobody else idea it is. It was her own idea. So, own idea. Idea is noun and own, not anybody else. So, again here own is an emphasizing adjective. And then look at the fourth one. She cooks her own meals. She cooks her own meals. She won't take anybody's help. She cooks her own meals. So again here own is used for emphasizing. That's why it is called emphasizing adjective. Now look at fifth example. Those were her very words. Again here, very is used for emphasizing. Here in this sentence, the meaning of very is actual. Okay, actual words. She has used her words. Those were her very words. So in this way, we can say own and very for emphasizing. These are called emphasizing adjectives. Now we will see the second one, that is exclamatory adjective. Here I have written one exclamatory adjective because we have only one word for which we use for this, that is what. Okay, so here it is used in exclamations. This word is used for exclamations. So that's why it is called exclamatory adjective. And this is used to say what we have thought or what we think. It might be good or it might be bad. So that's why it is called exclamatory adjective. Now look at the examples. First one, what a beautiful house. So here what is an exclamatory adjective. Next one, what a fall. They did not win in the fight or in the war. So If all their soldiers were defeated or some of them were dead, in that case we can say what a fall it is or it was. So it is used to express a bad thing. And then third one, what an idea. So if somebody gets in some context a good idea, then we can say that it's a good idea or what an idea it is. So in this way we can say so many things. Okay, what a tall tree it is. Okay, what an innocent man he is, and what awful weather it is. So like this we can say so many things. So my dear friends, like this we have emphasizing adjectives and exclamatory adjective. So practice and learn. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it and like it and share it. Thank you very much.